Hey, quick question for you. What do you think would happen if every single human on Earth, all 8 billion of us, jumped at the exact same time? Would the ground shake? Would the Earth move? Or would it do absolutely nothing but still mess everything up? You ever been at a concert, right? Standing shoulder to shoulder with a bunch of sweaty strangers, music blasting, and suddenly the beat drops. Everyone jumps. For a split second, you feel like you're floating with thousands of people. It's kind of magical, right? Now crank that up. Not thousands, not millions, but literally every single person on this spinning rock we call home, jumping together. Wild, right? But also kind of terrifying? So, let's get the obvious out of the way. No, the Earth would not get knocked off its orbit. Here's the science. The total mass of all humans combined is about 400 million tons. Sounds huge, but the Earth's mass is roughly 5.97 sextillion tons. That's a 5 with 21 zeros. So even if we all jumped like Olympic athletes, the planet wouldn't budge an inch. No earthquakes swallowing cities, no continents splitting apart. But physics is boring here. The real chaos isn't underground. It's us, the people, when we decide to do something together that big. Picture this. Billionaires, broke college kids, your boss, your ex, all standing on the same patch of ground, about to jump at the same time. In that exact second when our feet leave the ground, everyone's the same height. Status, power, job title, gone. We're all just bags of meat obeying gravity. Feels kind of beautiful, right? Well, enjoy it, because when we land, the same crap comes back. The guy with the yacht still got the yacht. The person with student debt still got it. We love pretending we're equal, but one jump won't fix centuries of social hierarchy. It's fake equality, but hey, at least everyone's legs get a workout. Now let's talk crowds. Ever been stuck in a packed stadium? One push, and the whole section wobbles. People scream, you lose your friends. Someone spills beer on your shoes. Nightmare. Now imagine that, but with 8 billion people. Humans are weird in crowds. Gustave Le Bon, a French sociologist, said that when we're packed together, we kind of lose our minds. One rumor, one shout, boom, panic. So a global jump? Yeah, it sounds fun. Until someone yells, run! And now you've got the world's biggest mosh pit. Solidarity? Maybe. Chaos? Guaranteed. Also, who's going to organize this mess? Who tells everyone when to jump? Is there a global jump committee? A massive group chat? A single world leader? Humans hate being told what to do, but we kind of love it too. If we agreed to jump at the same time, it would mean billions of people willingly following a single command. Think about that. We can't even agree on pineapple pizza, but we'd trust one voice to say, okay, jump. Kind of scary how much we crave someone to organize our chaos, even for something completely pointless. Here's the trippy part, the feeling. Durkheim, a sociologist guy, called it collective effervescence, the buzz you get when you're part of a crowd. It's why we love concerts, sports, parades. We get high off being together. A jump this big? The hype would be unreal. People hugging strangers, cheering, screaming. For 1 second, you'd feel connected to literally everyone on Earth. Like everyone. Who wouldn't want to feel that? But with big feelings comes big problems. Emotion spreads fast. One person faints, 10 people scream. Someone trips, 1,000 people panic. It's why crowds stampede at concerts. We're wired to copy each other. So, in this global jump, one small freakout could turn into the biggest oops in history. It only takes a rumor, there's a bomb, to turn euphoria into chaos. Fun idea, terrible reality. Then it's over. You land. You look around. The moment's gone. Now what? It's like when a concert ends and the lights come on. You're sweaty, your ears ring, and suddenly you're just standing there, kinda sad. That's post-event blues. Imagine the hangover after the world's biggest party, but you're back to bills, annoying neighbors, and your cat barfing on the carpet. Maybe you'd want to do it again and again, just to feel connected. But that's how you get hooked on empty rituals. Part 7. The world stops. Weird side effect. The world supply chain would basically flatline. If everyone's in one place waiting to jump, who's flying planes? Who's driving trucks? Who's running power plants? Nobody. Stores run out of food, gas stations run dry, factories go quiet. We'd be standing in line for hours, maybe days, waiting for the big jump. Meanwhile, your fridge is empty and your phone's at 2%. One jump means the modern world hits pause. Good luck explaining that to your stomach. Part 8. Trashpocalypse. And guess what? 8 billion people make a lot of trash. Food wrappers, plastic bottles, porta potties. Yeah, you don't want to think about it, but you should. Who's cleaning that up? Nobody wants a massive field that smells like 8 billion burritos and cheap cologne. And if it rains, congrats, we just made the world's biggest mud party. Perfect place for diseases to spread. Fun idea. Filthy reality. Part 9. The tech ticking time bomb. Okay, last logistical nightmare. How do we actually tell everyone when to jump? Probably an app, right? A global push notification. Jump now. But what if someone hacks it? What if a troll sends a fake signal? Now we're all jumping at random times and the big event flops. One random basement hacker could ruin the biggest group project in history. It's kind of amazing how our fancy global tech can crumble because some dude named Kyle got bored on Reddit. So here's the kicker. One tiny action, jumping, means nothing by itself. But when 8 billion people do it together, the world doesn't move. We do. It shows how fragile our systems really are. Your job, your Wi-Fi, your dinner tonight, it all depends on billions of people not doing something stupid at the same time. One collective impulse and the chain breaks. That's nuts. So no, this will never happen. Nobody's gonna organize a global jump. We're too busy. But the point is bigger than the jump. Every day, we kind of do jump together. We jump onto new trends. We jump on the latest bandwagon. We jump to obey the next must-do thing. And half the time, we don't even ask why or where we'll land. So here's my question for you. Next time you jump, literally or metaphorically, do you know where you'll land? Or are you just hoping it'll be somewhere better than where you took off? Anyway, what do you think? If you could get the whole world to do one pointless thing at the same time, what would you pick? Drop it down there. And hey, if this got you thinking, maybe tap that like button and hit subscribe. No worries if not, feel free. Hope to see you in the next one. And maybe, don't jump all at once. Peace.